Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use bargain feature in Grow a Garden and how it can help you earn more Sheckles from your harvest. First, just collect all the crops and fruits that you want to sell. The higher the value of your harvest, the bigger the potential profits that you will get from a successful bargain. And once you are ready, just head to the sale area like this and talk to the NPC. And then next just tap on the bargain like this, and this bargain feature will let you spend a small amount of Sheckles for chance to increase the selling price of your items. On here you need pay it first, but keep in mind that it's based on luck, so sometimes the bargain will fail and you will get no deal results. For example, in here I want to try it first like this. When it succeeds, your crops can sell for much more than their normal price, and it will giving you nice profit boost like this. Your rarest and most valuable crops, and then just wait for the daily deal like this until you get the daily deal like this. So just use the bargain feature, and then when you get this daily deal, just tap on it to get the bigger price. So just tap on the daily deal like this, and just like that you will get the more price or more rewards. And okay, that's how you can use the bargain feature in Grow a Garden. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.